Hey, Smoking Bears here. Hope everybody's having a great day. Cheers. Today I've got a edition for the Cast Iron Wednesday. Dan over at Dan's Outdoor Cooking did a enchilada video, and I said, man, I'd make something similar, but I like your spin. He said, well, I want to see yours. So I said, okay. So this is what I got. Alright, so this is what I got. What you're looking at is a pack of Mission soft tortillas, some red enchilada sauce, black olives sliced, some chopped green chilies. Because I had cheese and left slices, and then I went to the store and had a brain fart and got regular slices instead of shredded, I have sliced cheese. I have American, Kobe Jack, and Pepper Jack. And then over here, yeah, I thought I had enough chicken, but somebody got into it. So I have diced up barbecue chicken, and I have some barbecue ribs tips that I diced up. And I try to get all the cartilage pieces out, but, you know, hey, surprise! We're just going to go ahead and build this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of sauce down the bottom. You know, kind of help promote not sticking. It's going to make a mess, and that's fine. Then, on the sides, I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of spray of olive oil. Just to help with cleanup. And then you take your tortilla, kind of move it around. Set. You can get 3 to a layer in this big Dutch oven, and then simply layer your ingredients: chilies, green chilies, black olives, oops, I'm leaning right over you. Put some meat in there. Trying to keep one hand clean and one hand dirty, I guess. And then throw in some cheese. You know, more cheese the better. And this recipe I got from another outdoor cooking guy by the name of Gary House. Very wonderful channel. He doesn't really do much content now, but then I'm going to put a little bit of this. This is my new barbecue rub I'm messing with. It's what the chicken and the ribs both have on them. So, and then a little bit of sauce. And then we'll do it again. And this time I try to move the layers around like so. And then you repeat the process. Green chilies. Much as you want, or as little. Black olives. All right, folks, there it is. This is our leftover enchilada stack. Let's give it a taste. It's hot. It literally just came out of the Dutch oven. It was in there for 40. I had it set for 45 minutes. I pulled it out at like 42 and a half, just because I'm getting hungry. But there's some meat, cheese, chilies. Man. All right, that was my leftover enchilada stack. Not quite the recipe that I was wanting to do, but hey, sometimes you gotta improvise. So that's my cast iron Wednesday. Hope everybody has a great week. Cheers. You know, get out there, fire it up, try something different. Just throw your leftovers together. Hey, you never know what'll happen. Something good. Remember, a family barbecues together stays together. Have a great week, everybody.